Some of the unique things we're playing with, of course, we are an OEM Horsch dealer. Besides all the planning stuff we do with precision planning, ag leader, and everything, basically everything planner as we call it. But we are a PTx Trimble dealer. You can see on the tractor hitched to this seeder that we have tested and tried out the PTx OutRun system, the autonomous grain cart. So we had that on the tractor this fall working with the folks at PTx. And that one of the things we like to try, the reason it's hooked to the seeder, and we'll see what the weather gives us. We may try do some quote unquote testing of autonomous seeding possibly with this. And so we're going to work with their team on that.
What was the experience like running the OutRun system?
So the experience we had with it was good. It still had some glitches, but nothing major that can be worked through. Engineering took that back. There was some software changes, of course, that greatly improved the system, but overall, our experience with it, we were happy and pleased. I had experience with the systems from Raven and Smart Ag. So we were originally one of the Smart Ag dealers. And so things have came a long way as far as ease of install of a system, the functionality of the user interface, and I think it will continue to grow. I think it is a viable system for those that don't have enough help in the fall. On the grain cart side of things, you can allocate that labor over to somebody else, either doing tillage or or seeding. But the other aspect of it is taking that same system and be able to do tillage and or seeding with it, like some of the OEMs are going down that road, such as John Deere being able to do autonomous tillage, etc. So I think as things go here, I think autonomy of some sort will continue to grow in the ag industry.